Hello, friends. This is for the June cycle assignment 2023, semester 3 for HRM stream people, performance management system is the subject. See the question one. You are an HR manager at Ruhi Medical Device Limited. The company would like to introduce self appraisal for the sales teams. Design a self appraisal form for sales executive in the organization. Okay. Self appraisal, we can find it in chapter 4 in page number 97. Yeah, here comes the self appraisal. Now, advantages, disadvantages you can write down, and you have to create a form like what is the name, position, experience, like the basic header part of it, and then you enter into the form like what are the top three achievements in the past year, what do you think you have been done, you have been doing better, or you think where you need an improvement, what has to be done. So I think if you are a working professional, you know what kind of a forms you will be filling every year in the appraisals. So you can look for something related to the sales team. Then uh, you just have to create the form. You don't have to fill up everything. You just have to write the questions, give a gap, and make make the form like a form kind of things in a word itself. Okay. Question two. Tara Styles is a fashion, cosmetics, and beauty brand that caters to male and female products. The company has been growing at a rapid pace and now plans to reach pan-India presence. Prepare a balanced scorecard for Tara Styles covering one goal each in finance, customer, business processes, and learning and growth quadrant. Okay, so balance scorecard, we find it in chapter 8, then four kinds of measures. Then you have a little information in the table. We'll start with 183. Here comes the balance scorecard. Then four kinds of measures: the learning, growth, perspective, business process perspective, customer perspective, a financial perspective. Then you have objectives you can take up. It is coming close, and you're able to feel not coming close to the 1,000 words, then you can definitely take up this one. So here is the little information for you, what has been asked. You can refer this for answering the second part of the question. um, Prepare a balanced scorecard for Dara covering one goal each in finance. So these goals you can find it here. A little bit of information here, not exactly the straightforward, but yeah, you can still find a little a reference to it. Okay, moving on to the third one. You have joined as a team leader at your workplace, which is a co-working space wherein different companies lease offices or workstations. Using the SMART principle, prepare two goals each for each of the following: sales management at your workspace, admin manager at the company. So here you can try to start with introduction part of it like a smart, then start putting it together with the sample goals. So this is where you can find a little examples for it. And this is going to be same for both A and B. For A, it is asking for the sales manager, and B, it is for admin manager. Okay, we'll start with the page 66, defining smart goals. So here you have smart goal information. Then creating and developing a smart goal, you can take up managing, then writing a smart goal, how it has to be written, that is also there. But for 500 words, I think you will be able to easily achieve with examples and smart definition only. So here comes the smart examples like um, customer surveys, work coordination, staff development. So here has been mentioned like one or two examples you can take up and put up for the answers. So for admin, it is like reduce the office supplies by 15% by next 10 months, or improve the employee satisfaction by 5% in next 6 months. So something like that you have to put up for admin. So sales, you can also put up like sales increase or customer add in 2 to 3 customers addition to be added in within 1 year. So something like that you can put up as a smart goals. Okay, thank you so much, guys.